Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install DeepSeek on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. To install DeepSeek, first, open your internet browser. We recommend using Google Chrome. Go to the official website, deepseek.com, and click on Start Now. Sign in with your DeepSeek account, or create one for free if you don't have one. Once signed in, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, scroll down, and select Cast, Save, and Share. Then choose Install Page as App. Name the application, for example, DeepSeek, and click Install. This will open DeepSeek as its own app. Now you can minimize the browser and you'll see the DeepSeek icon on your taskbar. Right-click on it and select Pin to Taskbar for easy access. Even after closing the app, you can simply reopen it from your taskbar. And that's it. Now you know how to install DeepSeek on your Windows 11 computer.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.